guys, welcome to our channel.
Yeah. So I will be unboxing my pocket stuff. Yeah. Alright guys.
Please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Here we go.
Alright.
Let's start to
I already opened the package, but just not the box. Guys,
What?
the ziplock is coming out. I don't know why. Alright. So it's heavy, right, Alika?
I think that's a metal.
Yes, it's metal. I ordered metal. Alright, guys.
Here we go.
Alright. Stand back from this.
Be careful.
Pin.
Be careful with that.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. This is learn how to magic, baby. Yeah. Alright. So it has sharp edges. Yeah. You loosen the bottom of it. And then you do this. And then i-video mo dito yung pin.
Wait.
Plan. Alright. So it's very good. This pin, you do that with the pin. Boom. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And Alika Macabio.
My name in YouTube channel is Aleka Macabio. Thanks for watching.